This is our next video, which is completely on sale, and these are flat price 995. So this is the first one, which is in flex cotton में a beautiful real mirror के साथ cords A line with the bottom. So these kind of bottom is there, which is a palazzo, and this is completely flex cotton. So you can see the print is like that only. 995. Size we have 38 to 44, all single sizes. This is the next one. This is a designer piece, sleeveless में, and you can see this is single size. We have 42, 995, and this is a cotton का bottom, very smart with the belt, 995. This is crepe के cords, and this is cords में, and this is the length 40 and 42. Two sizes we have, and these type of palazzo we have. Inside margin is also there, 995. Pure bamboo muslin, very soft fabric में kurta with the bottom. 38 and 42 sizes, 995 is the price. This is also cotton में kurta with the bottom. So this is a kurta with the work here one side, and this is a bottom, and the size in this we have 40, just 40 size. We have one more color, this color. In this also we have 44 single size. This is little short length, pure cotton में, flex cotton में, 38 and 44 kurta with the bottom, 995. And this is a grey color. We have one more color, light blue color. In this also we have 38, 40 and 42, 995. This is muslin में cut work. Sleeves में भी cut work is there, 42 and 44. Bottom is also there, and this is also 995. This is cotton में kurta pant, very soft fabric, mull cotton with lining, and these kind of pockets are there, and this is a printed bottom. Size is 38 only, little loose fit. This is chikankari में, georgette में, very smart cords. Size is L, fit for 38 also. This is slightly lean fit only, and in this we have a georgette का palazzo. So these kind of pants is there. This is a kaftan which is in muslin fabric. Size in this we have 38, and these kind of look is there, short length kaftan, and it has a pouch, and this is the bottom for this. This is flex cotton में kurta pant. So these kind of print is there, and this is a lovely buttons with the pockets here, and this is a palazzo. So this is a bottom palazzo का 995, 38 to 44, 1 sizes we have in this. This is also that Indo-Western wala. Size is in this is single size, which is double XL. 995 is the price, and this is a bottom for this, pure cotton में. This is the next one, cords, 995. Flex cotton kind of, and this is a short length में 30 to 44, single size, and this is a printed bottom for this. This is also cotton slab fabric में with the real mirror work in the front, 995, and this is on the sleeves. Medium size is there, and this is a bottom. Entire bottom में भी you can see on the sides में panel is there. This is a crepe में cords, and the size is 40, 995 is the price, and this is a bottom for this. This is a mirror work में cords, little shorter length. You can see the mirror work here. Size is double XL, 44, and the price is 995, and this is a plain bottom for this. This is little lean fit. M is fit for 36 only, and this is we have M and double XL. So it is a lean fit. M will fit for 36, and double XL will fit for 42. Price is 995. This is crepe का again cords, very smart without lining में, 38 size, 995. Very smart piece, and this is a bottom. This is in sleeveless में muslin pattern. You can see the sleeveless pattern. Single size is there, boat neck kind of. 44 size we have, and this is a bottom for this. This is a jacket style में. This is a jacket. Size is 40, and this is a cotton का inner and bottom kurta with the white jackets. 40 and 42, 995 is the price for this.